In progress.
Hey, welcome back to the Equity Trade Room. It's May 17th. May 17th, doing my weekly recap where I go over the trade summary, trade performance for the week using my Q30 trade setup. I trade multiple Apex performance accounts, and we just share our results on a weekly basis. This week has been extremely uh let's just say a lot of drama, an extreme amount of drama in Apex, because they are now enforcing rules that have been on the books for months. And that definitely sent shockwaves in the trading community. And honestly, it has also impacted my Q30 setup. Even though I got confirmation from support that my Q30 setup is not in violation, it's still, as far as I'm concerned, there is a gray area, and I don't want any payouts getting rejected. So I need to make a couple of modifications just for peace of mind. I've been trading the same accounts for quite some time now. Some go back to November of 2023. And I put in a lot of work. So when it's time for me to get my payouts, I don't want to get rejected because of these rules that they are now enforcing. So I read a couple of the rules, and I felt like my strategy, you could say, violates the rule as far as the way it's written in black and white, even though I'm clearly not doing what some of those like popular YouTubers are doing, where they basically use their trailing threshold as their stop. So if you have a 50K account, you have a $2,500 trailing threshold. And that's basically their stop. So they don't care if they get the stop blown because they only paid $100, $200 total in fees, etc. But they can get a payout of $2,000. I think that's pretty good. Um, but Apex clearly caught wind of it because it started getting really popular on YouTube. A bunch of YouTubers popped up out of nowhere trading the open range, and they were basically copying one gentleman who I think mastered the open range trade, but it was a violation. And now other people were copying him, but they couldn't do it as well as he does it, but they still were profitable. But the originator of that particular style, he did very well. I mean, he went months without losing. But it got back to Apex, and now they are enforcing those rules that are already on the books. So I need to make a couple of little tweaks. Once again, I got direct confirmation from Apex that my strategy is fine. But if I'm following the rules to the letter, it's not fine. And I don't want them saying to me, well, customer support gave you the wrong information. I don't want to hear that. So I'm making the necessary tweaks. Next week, I'll be trading demo to just forward test my tweaks. And then I'll resume my live trading on my PA accounts the following week. But as far as this week results, I didn't even trade yesterday because I was waiting for confirmation from support, letting me know if I can or if I cannot trade my strategy. They did email me back later on in the day, but by that time, my setups had already passed. So I did not even trade the other day when the news came out. And yeah, I just wanted to be super cautious. So my week hasn't really been a full trading week, but I'll pull it up anyway. Trade performance. All right. Let's see. Let's go here. I also passed the 250K account. That's what you see here. You see these two Apex accounts. So let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of Sim. These are the same accounts I've been trading. And these are the same accounts that I've been trading since I've been doing the weekly and monthly recaps. And as you can see, they are all still active. Let's pull this back up. Let's generate. See, the 13th to the 17th, generate. All right. So profitable week, small profitable week, 57% winning clip, average winning trade 110, losing trade 150, largest losing trade 200, largest winning trade 200. So once again, just a poster child for consistency. My strategy, the way I look at it, I'll have 1 or 2 weeks of small win, small loss type of thing. And then I get that week where I'm like 90%. And that's like the week that makes up most of my profit for the month. That one big week where I kill it. And the other weeks, I'm consistent. And I'm not having like $800 losses going tilt. If you've been following me, this is the big number here. Largest losing trade. It's always in that 200 to 300 ballpark. And normally it's at 200. The only time it'll be at 300 is if I got burned with a bunch of slippage on trades. So that's my update for the week. We'll keep it short and sweet. Good luck with your trading. Any questions, etc., you can email me. That's in the description. We'll be back next week. Peace.